Let's start this match in 3, 2, 1, go!
Beginning what could be the final autonomous of the game here. We've got 1, 2, nearly 3. Unfortunately, Red Alliance does miss one of their autonomous cubes in their bonus area, which means that could be a big problem for the final match. However, we also noticed that 19068 has not moved at all during their autonomous, which could cause issues in their scoring in the later period, because remember, these autonomous periods are vital. And we have technical difficulties doing what they've done in all of the matches previously. You have to love that consistency that technical difficulties has, that ability to just rack up a ton of points in this autonomous. And here we are starting the driver-controlled period with Team 17713 driving around. 19068 still not moving. This could be an issue with their programming. We need to get this sorted out immediately if they have a chance of winning, because we've got the Red Alliance moving as fast as they possibly can, trying to score as fast as they possibly can. Balls are flying in the air because they are trying to compete over these resources. 12928 running, trying to score in the top of their area. 7172 scoring on their side of the shared shipping hub with Delta Force 17713 trying to score on their part of the shipping hub, scoring as fast as they can into that middle part of the shipping hub, because the top part of the shipping hub is starting to fill up really quickly. I fully expect Delta Force to be able to completely empty out this warehouse, just like the Blue Alliance is trying to empty out. The Blue Alliance is fully emptying out their warehouse, as the Red Alliance is trying to empty out their warehouse just as well, with 12928 moving over and trying to score in the top of that shipping hub and succeeding successfully. Unfortunately, due to 19068's ability currently not functioning, which is an absolute tragedy, it means that 7172 technical difficulties has had nearly free reign of the shared shipping hub, and you can see it stacking up right here with only 60 seconds left in the match. So the Red Alliance has a substantial lead. 19068 has got to get working again if they have a chance of winning this match, because the Red Alliance has taken the previous match. This could be the very final match we're seeing, and we're hoping that's not the case if you're the Blue Alliance or rooting for the Blue Alliance, because we've got these teams scoring as fast as they can. 12928 scoring. Oh no, they've knocked off one of their blocks in exchange for a ball. That's the problem when you got these shipping hubs just so full, is they could cause problems. 17713 has completely filled up their shipping hub. They are trying to squeeze more, and as we start this end game, we're trying to squeeze more into this area, and 17713 grabbing their marker and landing it on the top of their shipping hub, and so is the Red Alliance as they've been running to get those ducks off. Yes, that's one marker for the Red Alliance as well. 7172 also trying to get their stuff on the shipping hub. 7172's marker also trying to get it attached by Light Staters if they can get this in the next 3 seconds. Oh, no, they can't. And that's the end of the match. An absolute tragedy we've seen with 19068 unable to function during the match. We'll see if the refs have any condolences for them. But as for now, we've got 2 markers on each, one for each shipping hub, and a partial park on the Red Alliance, and almost entirely full shipping hubs all around. If you look at the ground of this field, finding a piece of cargo, a ball, or a block is a rare sight, because these teams have almost effectively completely filled up their shipping hubs.
All right, let's have another match review by Tyler and Abbas.
Well, finals match number 2. A match that it was quite interesting to see. Obviously, you had a robot down the entire time. Very unfortunate to see in finals. But I got to be honest with you, 17713 really held their own for this. Probably not enough to take this match. I think we are going to see a champion of this, but tell us a little bit more about what you saw in this match, boss, and then we'll go to replay.
Yeah, I mean, right off the bat, both the carousel side robots missed their preload freight, so that made it look a little bit better for the Blue Alliance because the Red Alliance missed that. But, once we saw that Absotech just wasn't running, it was really difficult, as you said, for Delta Force to come back from that. One thing that I found really, really interesting was that the Blue Alliance had about a 50-point deficit going into the match, but it didn't really grow throughout the match.
No.
It actually shrunk. I mean, we'll see the final score, but right at the end of the match, it was within 20, 30 points, which I think is just a testament to how amazing the winning Alliance captain at the World Championship was this year.
Well, let's dive in the replay. Give me a few key points and moments that you saw despite having one robot down for Blue.
Yeah, I think Delta Force's endgame was really just top-notch. They tried to score as many points as they could, and they were super effective at it. I mean, we saw them get their team shipping element on the Alliance hub, and then they maneuvered around Absotech and started spinning those ducks off. They never gave up. They really just tried getting every single point they could, every single second they could. They were scoring.
Yeah, talk about a crazy solo score, really. That'd be impressive in any other environment, and probably good enough to win events by themselves. But here at MTI, not always the case for something like that. So scores are still being populated right now. We're waiting for them to come up. We got our competitors being cheered off the field for some hard fought matches as well too. But Abbas, I'm feeling like Red Alliance going to take this one, right?
Yeah, I think so.
So it looks like we do have the scores. Let's head back over, see if we got a champion or see if we're going to a third match.
Finals, MTI Finals. Match number 2 score is the Red Alliance wins. Score of 376 to 265. That means Alliance number 1 are the MTI 2022 champions. A big congratulations to our Blue Alliance, Team 19068.
Absotech.
17713
Delta Force.
and 7105
Swift Intergalactic
for
Space
making it to
Llamas.
the finals. But once again, you can see who our final champions are of the MTI. Congratulations again to our champions and to all of the teams that were here. All right, let's take it back to our announcers with fun. Back to Abbas and Tyler.
Well, boss, we do have a champion now. Red Alliance taking it 2 matches to no. Congratulations to them. Fantastic scores. What do you have to say about all of our finals competitors so here?
Yeah, I mean, I think everybody played some fantastic matches. It is unfortunate that we didn't get to see the full potential of Absotech in that last match, but, you know, full credits to Technical Difficulties, Lightsaders, and Pixelated. They played great matches, not only in playoffs, but just the whole day as well. Really great alliance.
Yeah, like I said, I'm super impressed with Pixelated once again, coming from a team last year at MTI, who was right near dead last to being #1 alliance captain, coming to the finals. Of course, you want to take that gold as well too, but impressive performance nonetheless by all these teams that we've seen here.
Yeah, and, you know, speaking about Pixelated more, I believe they're the only team also competing at CRI. So we'll see if they can do, you know, a back-to-back win here and at CRI.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I misspoke there as well too. I apologize about that. So, yeah, talking about CRI as well too. Another great competition coming up. It's going to be just in a couple of weeks out of Chicago as well too. Any teams you're looking forward to seeing out of there?
I mean, we have the first pick of the winning alliance for the World Championship, Upper Creek going there. I believe also Curiosity Robotics there going. My old team is also going to be competing there. I think it's just going to be a really great showing from everybody.
So we'll be broadcasting that first up next now. You'll see a Boston myself there as well too. So we're very excited for that. But MTI, absolutely phenomenal event. This is the All-Star event here in FTC. We hope you really did enjoy it. On behalf of myself and the boss, we had a fantastic time. Thank you so much for joining us. If you're going to stick with us, we'll have a award ceremony, as our MC Tom said, in about 10-15 minutes here. But that's going to wrap it up for us here at Fun. Thanks a lot. Good luck to all teams. If you have any other off seasons, and of course next season coming up soon, very excited as well. We'll see you soon. Take care.
This stream is supported by First Updates Now. We'd like to thank the following fun sponsors. First Updates Now is supported by Stryker Careers. If you are a college student or recent graduate looking for an incredible internship, take a look at Stryker. Stryker provides a housing stipend, great pay, and an opportunity to work with state-of-the-art medical technology equipment. Discover why so many First alumni are coming to Stryker for their internship or career at careers.stryker.com. First Updates Now is supported by Kettering University. Did you know that over 30% of the student population at Kettering University was in high school robotics? These same students have received a portion of over $7 million in robotics scholarships from Kettering University. See why so many in First chose to go to Kettering University at kettering.edu.